Hello everyone. So in today's class we're going to continue from where we stopped the last time. We'll begin with our intended project, but first, before we continue the project, I want to explain this properties windows to you. You see that each control we click on has a set of properties. So for example, if we click on the hello world text, you can see in this properties window or the attributes window, you can see the ID field, you can see the layaway, you can even see a brief description of what these fields represent. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set an ID value for this our hello world text. Okay, you can see the text is hello world. We're going to give it an ID value of text underscore value. Okay, so it's always easier to carry out programmatical changes on widgets or text widgets in an Android application if it has an ID. So we have a unique value for representing each widget in our app. Okay, now the next thing we're going to modify is the actual text in the field. Okay, so the thing is, right now we have some attributes. Okay, so this is going to be changed from the text hello world into, let's give it 1. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to change, let me zoom out to allow us to look at the application here. Okay, so so to change the text appearance from material small to material large. Okay. So you can see we have a bunch of arrows here. Once we click on these arrows, you can see that there are some more attributes. We want to change the text alignment to center